In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a creator on Patreon. If you want to stop seeing content from a specific creator or limit your interaction with their page, Patreon gives you a simple way to do that right from the creator's profile. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the platform, start from your main Patreon view so you can access the creator you want to block. If you're using a desktop browser, the layout should look very similar to what you see on screen. Next, look toward the bottom left side of the page and click Your Creator area. This is where Patreon shows the creators connected to your account, and it's often the quickest way to navigate to the person you want to manage. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct creator section before moving on. After that, click on the creator you want to open. This will take you directly to that creator's page. Once you're there, you'll be able to access more options related to that creator's profile. If the page takes a second to load, just wait until everything appears fully so you can see the menu clearly. Now, find and click the three-dot menu on the creator's page. This menu usually contains extra actions and account-related options that aren't visible on the main page view. It's a common place for settings like reporting, muting, or blocking. So if you ever need to manage creator interactions, this is a useful menu to remember. From the drop-down menu, click on Block this creator. Once you select that option, Patreon will apply the block to that creator. This helps prevent further interaction and gives you more control over your experience on the platform. And that's it. As you can see, blocking a creator on Patreon only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If you're ever trying to make your Patreon feed feel more comfortable or better organized, using the block option can be a helpful tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process easy to understand.